How to create the voiceover for your product with Predis AI. So in order to do that, click on this create new right here and then just choose which one you want. So for example, let's head over and click on this icon product close. And you can put in here products, and we have in here the post format as well. So you can also choose some things like, for example, text to post. As you can see, they have voiceover options like this one. So you can choose which one you want to use. For example, you can also make carousel, videos, images, and likes. So for this one, let's head over and then put in here this. So let's also head over and then put in here description of our product. And then once you have done that, you can head over and then click on this generate option right here if you want to as well. Click on generate right here, and then this will generate the voiceover for you. So let's just wait for this. So as you can see right here, they have provided us with voiceover video. So let's head over and click on this play icon. And then once you have clicked on display, they also provide you the caption that you can use. So click on display right here, and then you should be able to see in here a voiceover video. So let's just wait for this, and as you can see this one, they actually put us this one. Now you can head over and download it and publish it into your social media accounts. So that's how you create the voiceover for your product with Predis AI. Hope we helped.